How to turn off Fortnite parental controls. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this video. Open up our browser and search for epicgames.com. Make sure to log in into your Epic Games account as Epic Games controls your Fortnite. Now you have to hover on your user icon, then head to the account option. In your account settings, in your left hand side, you will see some of the options. You have to navigate to the option of parental controls. Then you need to go ahead and select on parental controls. Enter the account parental control pin to continue. Now once you are in here, starting from your general settings, you can disable this always require a PIN for purchases using Epic Games payment. Then head to your social permissions. Disable require PIN to add Epic friends. Set everybody on Epic voice chat permission. Then scroll up, head to Fortnite settings. Now from here you need to scroll down. And if the allow creative mode and Unreal editor for Fortnite is toggled off, you need to toggle it on. Before